My name is Charles Chen. I am a wellness chef. I gained over 100 pounds. I was pre-diabetic. I had heart problems. Food actually saved my life. I transformed my life through food. I love traveling. One of my favorite things about traveling is trying the different flavors from different cultures. So today I'm gonna share with you guys my cauliflower fried rice. This is a fantastic way to get fried rice in, but this is actually not rice. This is made out of cauliflower. It's a great way to get in some extra fiber. This you can actually buy at your stores, or you can just make it at home with the food processor. I'm gonna start with medium heat, and I'm gonna use some coconut oil. Coconut oil is fantastic for high heat cooking. I'm gonna add in some onions. Ooh, that smells so good. Some garlic, protect your immune system. And I also have some green peppers. I'm gonna just saute this, get a nice brown going here. Also have some mushrooms. Mushrooms are so underrated because they're filled with vitamin D, and they're also very mineral rich. We're gonna add in some edamame for some extra protein and texture. I'm gonna add in a little bit of non-GMO corn, just like that. A little bit of white vinegar goes in. I'm gonna add in our cauliflower. So this is a great alternative to regular white rice. Now I am gonna toss in my reduced soy sauce, a little bit of fresh basil, almonds for some added protein and crunch. Last but not least, I'm gonna save the salting for last because you wanna bring out too much moisture. When I'm plating, I always like to plate up like a tower. It just looks a lot more visual. I smell the onions, the mushrooms, the basil. Basil goes on top. A little bit of edamame. And also our nice crunch. I love a nice crunch. So this is almonds, added protein, and crunch, just like that. All right, here is my fried cauliflower rice. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Cheers, guys.